Chief Meteorologist Amber Sullins with your most accurate forecast, and we are already tracking our next wind-making storm. Conditions expected to stay dry here in the valley for at least the next 7 days, and we do have fire weather alerts now in effect for the end of the week as those winds increase. So let me show you what they're going to look like this afternoon. Peak wind gust around 25 miles per hour or so, but those winds back off overnight and pick back up again tomorrow afternoon. That's when we could see gusts near 25, and then by Friday, gusts near 40 miles per hour right here in the Phoenix Metro as that next storm passes to our north. So we are under a fire weather watch here and in all the areas shaded in this cream color on Friday because conditions will be dry and the wind speeds will be very strong. So fire weather watches for that day. Now for Thursday, tomorrow, red flag warnings, which is essentially a step up from a fire weather watch. These are fire weather conditions that could lead to explosive wildfire growth like we've seen with that sawmill fire over the last couple of days. And this is exactly where that fire is burning. So we'll have a close eye on southeast Arizona as they deal with wind gusts near 35, maybe even 40 miles per hour tomorrow. Here in the valley, temperatures in the low 70s at 8 a.m., mid 80s at noon, and upper 80s to low 90s at 5 o'clock tomorrow with those strong breezes in our late afternoon forecast here. 91 will be the high in Gilbert, Chandler, and Mesa tomorrow. Fountain Hills, Carefree, and Cave Creek stay in the 80s tomorrow afternoon, upper 80s there. Anthem tops out at 88, Wickenburg well out to the northwest at 87, but our West Valley forecast will have highs at 90 or 91 in all of our West Valley cities for tomorrow. Here's a look at lows tonight. Up in the high country, not as many freezes. In fact, just one on the map, the Grand Canyon down to 32, 48 in Sedona tonight, 41 in Show Low, and 51 degrees out in Globe. Highs tomorrow across central and southern Arizona in the upper 80s to low 90s. Yuma will be hottest at 95, and we'll see temperatures in the 60s along the rim with mid to upper 70s in play for Winslow, Payson, Prescott, and for Kingman. Let's take a look at our forecast here in the valley as we head through the next 7 days. 90 degrees in your forecast on Friday. That's going to be the windiest day. Then winds will back off over the weekend and cooler air will settle in. We drop down to 82 on Saturday and still stay in the 80s Sunday, but the 90s will be back for the first half of next week with more afternoon breezes on Tuesday and Wednesday.